Maybe it's my shoes? No way, I waited at home. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. No worries, I didn't really need that right now. Got a good eye for quality. Guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that forced break. Wait, I thought I emptied my pockets.
Realp Prelude Detour 5.
That was surprisingly painful. Could be my phone, I forgot. Penny saved, penny earned. Pretty sure gravity just works harder on my bag. That can't be right. Oh, that was so uncalled for. Let me take some stuff out. Whoa, that was a rough nap. It's good, you have a knack for this. Perfect, I was worried for nothing. I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that forced break. Wonderful, I can't wait to see what's inside. Good afternoon, hope it's not too busy today. Okay, one more pass then. Guess I'll double check my pockets.